today we are going to be going to Scotland. We're going to be crossing the border about 2 hours. So I think I've probably got breakfast around my mouth. About 2 hours after we set off. And like hearing that, I was just like, yes, we're going to be in Scotland. We're going to be in Scotland. So yes, got to go and pack all my stuff again. Had breakfast, get my shoes from the drying tent because they were wet from yesterday, just from the sweat. And yeah, let's go. What was your name? Stuart. Lovely Stuart has just offered me some whiskey as we cross the Scottish border, so I don't ever drink, so I'm probably going to vom, but we'll see. Oh God. Oh, welcome to Scotland. Jesus Christ, what is that? That's so, can you drink it and not do it?
Auchentoshan from Glasgow.
Oh, it's burning my throat.
It's lovely. It's really nice.
Touch the screen where it's brighter.
So look where we are. We are officially in Scotland. I cannot actually believe that we're in Scotland. This is so exciting. Oh my God, there's another sign over there. We'll go and get a picture of the sign. All right. So
I'm going to move as well.
How are you feeling about being in Scotland?
Very Scottish. Well, I know English now. I've got to move over here. Och, hi the new.
I don't think I've ever been so angry at one piece of road in all my life. It was so hard. So we're coming to Scotland, and like from the first pit stop to the second pit stop, oh my God, it was hell, like hell. So it was like all the worst things that you could possibly have as a cyclist. It was raining, there was a headwind, and the road surface was horrific. I couldn't even get my camera out. I was that angry at the road. I don't know why, it was really irrational anger. But I was just like, oh my God, I just want it to be smooth road. It was so bumpy, constantly. It was like cobbles, constant cobbles for what, 30, 40k? I think it's going to continue as well, so going to get in some fuel in and get going. Oh, actually, let me just tell you this one really funny thing. So I needed a wee, so I pulled over in this lay-by, and this guy was just, I think he was putting some chamois cream on. He went, oh, do watch your step. And I was like, oh, why? And he said, oh, there's a human poo over there. He said, it's ginormous. And then he said, if you're standing there, it's enough to bug up anyone's cleats. Oh God, giant human poo at the side of the road. It's not even like in the woods. I can imagine, like it's kind of okay, but come on, at the side of the road on a lay-by. It was so gross, but I really liked that guy. It really cheered me up. So yeah, and then also we were riding along, and I was like in a low place, probably the lowest I've been on this whole trip. And this lovely girl just like came and she's like, come on, do you want to come and like join us and like shield from the wind? I was like, yes please, I would really like that. And just hearing that one lovely girl just like so kind just really helped. So the spirit of the RAB crew is there. So yeah, we're gonna head on. Sorry I've not filmed much, but I was too grumpy. But it is pretty, let me show you around. Hello, I am back and I'm showered, and I have to apologise. I barely filmed anything today because it was pretty much hell. It was like the lowest point of, like I said before, of this trip, going up that really badly paved, horrible road. And then it was really amazing. Then we got into like this chain gang thing. Got into this like really fast chain gang, and my camera was in my bag because it had been raining, and so we were just like smashing it. and then I didn't get it out again until now. So what I thought I would do is, a few of you asked me about the camp thing itself and how it actually works, so I'm just going to give you a very, very quick run through of like what everything is, where everything is, what it's like, basically a little insight into camp life for Deloitte Ride Across Britain. So thought I would do that. I'm going to start off by showing you where all the bikes are stored. So as you can see, this is where the 900 plus bikes are kept, and it is all like secure. There's like floodlights on it all night and security here, so the bikes are safe. You know what I'm like, I'm very particular over my bikes. And there, the actual mechanics, so there are mechanics here after every ride, and on the right side they've got like support cars there, and they're like en route in case we have any mechanicals, and then obviously this is the aftermath of the day's riding. One of the mechanics has just run over to me and been like, I've just watched your video, and can you get them to put it on the big screen to tell everyone to bring their own hanger, because there's been loads of snapped hangers. So he said, pat on the back for me, so I'm pleased about that. So if you're ever out, always take a spare hanger. Right, onto the tents. So these are all the tents. Now we have the bike wash area. And look who's here!
Hello.
It's Toby!
How you doing?
Okay,
Yeah.
getting that bag clean?
Well, it's cold water, so not really clean, but
Whoa! Watch the camera! Also a medical area, just in case. People getting and then there is the physios, the drying room, which I'm going to go in now because I have got some wet shoes in my bag. So many shoes. God, it's so lovely and warm in there. If it's cold, I generally just go and have a little minute in there and just get warm. So there is just so much stuff going on. Oh, laundry is there. So we've had like three lots of laundry been done. The shower. Shower's free over here. Oh, they're so nice. Like a proper shower, red hot, really big, and like a mirror, and then a sink. Look at that, it's really hot in here. And also a massage area, so every second day you get a massage. And now for my favourite bit, which is the food. I want to go and show you the food now. It's like puddings, desserts, fruits and salads. And they always have like a vegan, gluten-free soup, and today this is how I recommend it, and it's so good. So that is the end of today's video. I've eaten, showered, and I guess I didn't really talk. I'm gonna come back here because it's a bit windy. I guess I didn't really talk about the actual ride, but the first half, obviously, as you know, was just hell, and then the second half was just beautiful, like open, winding, lovely roads. So I'm really excited to kind of explore the rest of Scotland, and I promise I'll get more footage tomorrow, so you can see what Scotland's like. But it is beautiful. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you for tomorrow for day is it? 6? 7? I can't remember. God, the days are all merging into one. I can't believe it is. I think there's 3 days left, so we shall see. I'm very excited. So yes, see you tomorrow.